Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making buffalo chicken stuffed monkey bread. Now I'm sure you've seen it all over TikTok and the internet. My recipe is a twist. Instead of using rotisserie chicken or shredded chicken breast, I'll be using chicken nuggets that I have left over. The recipe and the links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Remember, join our Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans, and subscribe to the Little House of Beans. Click the notification bell, hit the like button, and please, if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe and comment on this video. Perhaps you have a twist that you use when you make buffalo chicken stuffed monkey bread. And, as you know, I have a cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, available on Amazon and as an ebook. Read the reviews, you will love it. Support Little House of Beans and order the cookbook on Amazon. I have some exciting news for you. It's my birthday week, month, season. I love my birthday so much that we've decided to give you guys a gift and do a giveaway. We will be giving away the perforated baking tray. How you may win this, you ask? Well, of course, be a Little House of Beans subscriber, be a YouTube subscriber, and comment on this video, Happy Birthday Edie. Happy Birthday Edie. So, be a subscriber on YouTube, be a member of the Little House of Beans on Facebook, and please comment on this video, Happy Birthday Edie, and you will be eligible to win the perforated baking tray.
Happy birthday, Edie.
Thanks.
You want to cook?
I am ready to cook. I'm ready for dinner. Let's make stuffed buffalo chicken monkey bread.
What could he do for me? I told him that my love is free, but can you match me? I can do it all for myself, want you but really don't need help, so can you match me? I like luxury, I like fancy things, shine on my body, live like royalty, treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 la. La 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 la. Lux. La 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 la.
George likes his chicken spicy.